So this is the south-facing part of my garden, and I've got lots of flowers growing here. In the distance, I have my strawberry patch and my herb patch, because this is going to get the most sun in my garden, and this is where I am facing south. If I were, when I come here in the morning, my west facing side, which is where the shed is covered in shadow. This whole area is covered in shadow, which is wisely why this garden was designed to have its meeting area in this corner that's going to get the least amount of sun, because it is facing the west end. That's the west, and it is also facing north. So that is going to be the area that doesn't get as much sun as, say, where I was originally standing, which is over there facing south, is going to get the most sun. Or if I were to go over here, this is my plum tree, and if I were to face east, which I'm now facing east, that's going to get a little bit more sun than if I were facing west. And here's my carrots. All of these planters in the middle get a lot of sun, so I'm able to grow a lot of stuff. You'll see that without all the kids in the garden, I've got lots and lots of weeds, and they're hard. They take over everything. We'll talk about weeds in another program, but this is my garden. And when you're planning a garden or you're building a house, you want to think very mindfully about your light. And do you want certain windows or certain areas of your garden to get a lot of light or a little bit of light? And that's going to all be about the direction that they face.